Say something.
On our way to Mexico, just waiting for our... Oh, our plane showed up.
Okay.
Yeah, that's our plane.
Are you excited for this trip?
Yeah. Yeah, I am. I've been there
you?
once before and I work with Mexicans, so...
Are you going to party hard?
I'm gonna relax hard.
I mean, what about partying?
We'll see. A little bit.
All-inclusive resort.
It is an all-inclusive. I will be drinking.
Yeah, you'll be drinking a lot?
A little
or
bit.
Are you going to pass out like the whole day?
No.
Are you sleepy drunk or crazy drunk? Or
I have no idea.
is it a perfect trip to find out this time?
Probably.
Great.
Probably.
I would say...
He doesn't want to run in with the camera. But I don't want to move, so it's a distance video. Oh, come on, run!
Come later so I can rip you off. Please help us. Do not forget, we need money for the wall. I'll be waiting for you guys. I'm sorry.